Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these super easy peanut butter cookies. So whether you keep them plain or dip them in a little bit of chocolate is completely up to you, but either way they're absolutely delicious. Into a bowl we're going to add in the flour, the baking powder and the baking soda and simply sift them together. Add in a pinch of salt and set to one side. Into a separate bowl we're going to add in the brown sugar, the butter, the peanut butter, the vanilla, and the allspice. Then mix together until nice and creamy, scraping down the sides as you need to. To that we're slowly going to incorporate in the flour, then mixing to combine. Once the flour is incorporated through, we're then going to add in the milk and giving that one final mix to combine. We're then going to pop our mixture into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once out of the fridge, we're going to roll our mixture into balls, placing them on a tray lined with baking paper. Then with a fork, we're going to gently press down on each cookie, making a crisscross pattern on the top. Then into the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. Once out of the oven, let them settle on the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Now this step is completely optional, but I'm going to melt some dark chocolate. I'm then going to dip one side of the cookie into the chocolate, shaking off any excess. Then sprinkling over a few chopped nuts. Yum! They're so easy yet so delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure that you hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!